Hello and welcome to the video. This is another giveaway. If you've already been watching, you've probably already seen there have been quite a few of these already. Now this is for another Menace RC antenna pack. Menace RC antennas are ones that I rely on here and fly an awful lot. They have a fantastic performance and they're tuned really well. Do see the Antenna Lab series down below if you want to know more about all that stuff. Now this one again is for an antenna pack, either for analog or for digital. You can decide which one of those you want when you win. So standard stuff like, comment, subscribe. I'll pull the names out of the hat with a random comment picker, and best of luck to everybody. Do stay tuned, there will be more. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.